welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that has transformed the lives of countless individuals: affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll explore what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how you can leverage it to create a sustainable online income. So, let's get started. Affiliate marketing is a powerful business model that allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. It's a win-win situation for both you and the company you're affiliated with. Here's how it works. 1. Understanding the basics. As an affiliate marketer, you become a partner of a company or brand and receive a unique affiliate link. This link contains a special code that tracks any sales made through it. Your role is to promote the products or services using this link, whether through blog posts, social media, videos, or other channels. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The amount can vary, but it's often a percentage of the sale price. The best part is that you don't need to create your own product or handle customer service. You focus on promotion, and the company takes care of the rest. 2. Building trust and adding value. To succeed as an affiliate marketer, you need to build trust with your audience. People are more likely to buy through your links if they trust and value your recommendations. So, it's crucial to focus on providing genuine value and helping your audience make informed decisions. One way to add value is by creating high-quality content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your audience. By doing this, you position yourself as an authority in your niche and gain the trust of your viewers or readers. This trust translates into higher conversion rates and more commissions. 3. Choosing the right products and programs. When it comes to selecting affiliate products or programs, it's important to consider your audience's interests and needs. Promote products that align with your niche and provide genuine value to your audience. Remember, you're recommending products that you believe in and genuinely find useful. Additionally, pay attention to the commission structure and payout terms. Some programs offer a one-time commission, while others provide recurring commissions for subscription-based services. Find the ones that best fit your goals and income expectations. 4. Diversifying your revenue streams. While affiliate marketing can be a lucrative business model, it's wise to diversify your revenue streams. Relying solely on one affiliate program can be risky. By expanding your affiliate partnerships or exploring other monetization methods like creating your own digital products or offering consulting services, you can safeguard your income and create multiple streams of revenue. Remember, building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and effort. It's essential to stay consistent, continuously learn, and adapt your strategies based on what works best for your audience and niche. 5. Taking action. Now that you have a solid understanding of affiliate marketing, it's time to take action. Start by researching affiliate programs or networks that align with your niche. Create high-quality content that resonates with your audience, and promote your affiliate products strategically. Remember, value and trust are the key ingredients to your success. Thank you for watching today's video on affiliate.